Hello, everyone. This is Gokul Alex and Sneha Vijayan from Semiot Social Ventures, and we are really excited to participate in the Chainlink Hackathon. This global map shows the world of maritime trade and shipping. Sneha will take you through the disputes, dynamics, and how the resolution is achieved through RIANet. Over to you, Sneha.
Hi, everyone. So the Suez Canal fiasco and its impact on global trade threw light on our reliance on maritime trade and transport. These statistics further reiterates it. Moreover, increased trade means increased disputes. The Suez Canal Authority has reported that Egypt will seek 1 billion in compensation for the ever given blockage. These are some of the pain points that the shipping industry faces. And despite the increased reliance on maritime trade and dispute, there aren't adequate measures or adequate means to resolve these issues. And our platform does this from the very first step, which is pre-contractual negotiation. Stakeholders in the industry will be encouraged to negotiate on the platform so that these negotiations are stored as immutable evidence, thereby saving money and time, which would then be wasted in verifying it if a dispute were to arise. The parties can also opt a smart contract template and amend it to their liking so that the performance of the contract can be automated on blockchain. And for this, we rely on open law. Our most novel concept, the bill of lading, would be transferred or would be tokenized as a bill of lading NFT. This document is a crucial yet controversial document which has to be produced to a shipper for the goods to be released. It's usually sent by the seller of goods to the buyer at a port of delivery. And oftentimes, this does not reach the buyer on time. And by tokenizing the bill of lading, its transfer and verification is made easy. And by minting it as an ERC 1155 token, it can be fractionalized so that the bill of lading can be amended even during voyage. Moving on to blockchain arbitration. International maritime disputes are mostly resolved via arbitration. And while there are platforms on the blockchain, its interactions with the real world is limited. And we plan to make this better by integrating more dispute models, trust models, and resolution models, and efficiently utilizing oracles to draw real world data. So we would be using contract breach oracles to detect any breach of contract, the party notification oracles to inform parties of the dispute so they can prepare, and evidence collection oracles to collect real-time evidence so that no time is wasted during the dispute to collect evidence. We will also have anti-collusion protocols and anonymous arbitrators to remove any challenge for bias. Finally, the decision will be made part of the original smart contract so that payment of damages can be automated. And these damages would be paid from the resolution reserve vault, which would be a vault which collects data, which collects revenue from the parties when they initially generate the smart contract. This would be sent as we will be generating smart flash loans so that income can be generated and paid the arbitrators so that the parties wouldn't have to spend money on this. Instead, they can focus on promoting trade and the growth of the economy. Over to Gokul to explain the code.
Thank you, Sneha, for the introduction. Now let me take you through the code. As you see here, RIANet platform consists of a network of arbitration contracts, oracle contracts, open law and open code contracts, and the layer 2 scaling on Polygon, and the dispute resolution contracts, and the yield vault. Let me first take you through the dispute resolution contract. You can see the dispute workflow, the bill NFT ERC 1155, goods NFT ERC 21, the fraction logic, and integration of the oracles. The oracles are part of the Oracle network, where you can find that these oracles for resolution of the claim data and the reserve data are collected. We are also integrating other oracles related to third-party notifications and breach of contract. And main highlight of our arbitration network is anonymous voting and quadratic voting, which is implemented using zero-knowledge proofs in a very novel minimal anti-collusion network framework. You can also find how we store the data from IPFS in file network and how we are planning to use graph network for surfing through the data. And the yield vaults, you can find it's in the initial stage. We are planning to integrate the vault using the Yearn vault or the enzyme and Alchemix model. This is an evolving platform. We are at the very beginning, the inception of it, and looking forward to wholehearted support from the Ethereum engineering and Chainlink data ecosystem. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to present a platform.
Thank you.